Hello, this is Zafar with PROTech. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install a printer using Active Directory. Unlike your home computers, installing a printer is very easy. But in a corporate environment, you have to manage the network printers. Very important to have access control and to manage these printers. So let's get started here. From the server manager, go into manage and then click add roles and features, and then click next and continue on to click the default. Here I'm choosing one of my other servers here. You could see the server name. This is a fully qualified server name here. Simply click next and look for print and document services. The moment you click on it, you will get this option here. Just select add features, and then so simply click next, and there is nothing else you need to select here. Click next and next again. In here you will have role services. So at this screen, simply leave the default selection print server and then click next, and then make sure to have this or maybe I'll check it for now here, but if it needs a restart, make sure to restart it here. We'll find out later here. Click next or install, and it's going to install the required components. So it's installing on. So the installation have started. At this moment you could close it, but I think this is gonna not take too long, so I'm gonna stay on. So the installation has completed. Click close and go back up in here and then look for the notifications. It says the installation succeeded. If it requires server need to be rebooted, then it will display a message here, but in this scenario or in this case you don't need that, so just click close here. So now that the printer services are installed, go into tools on the top and then look for print management, and right there. Okay, so this window comes up. From expand the print servers node, and then this is our server. And then in here you might want to click on printers. Okay, let me go back a step here. So you have this local server here. Right click on it and click add printer, and then it will give you this option here. So add a TCP IP or web services IP printer or host name. Normally at the big corporations, this is the default case, so simply click next, and then it will look for or automatically detect the IP address. So we'll just leave it there. If you know the direct IP, you could type in there, but we'll just leave it in auto detect and then click next. Okay, it says please enter a valid address and try again. Let me go back and click next. So you need to know the IP address beforehand. So since I already know the IP address for my printer here, I'm going to type that in: 192.168.1.118. Now when you're installing this printer, make sure this is a static IP provided for that specific printer by your network team. So once you have that, just plug that in and click next, and then it's going to contact the printer, so it automatically detected the printer. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna rename it to something which users could understand. So I'm gonna rename it to Dell B1265. That's the model number for the printer here. And I'm gonna change the share name also. You could definitely share this printer all across your network. Okay, and then you could name it here. You could name it like print room, and then you could also put some comments here. Don't print. Don't print personal. All right. That should give enough message to the users, and then click next. So this is the information before it continues, and then it's gonna look for the status, and it's gonna do all the things you need to do before it finishes the installation. So well, looks like it added all those here. You could add on the printer. Let's do a test page. If click finish and then click close. Okay, there it is. You could hear in the background that it's printing a test page. So when you go back in here into printers, you could see the printer is already there. It's been installed. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to deploy printer using Active Directory. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as visit my website zmprotech.com. Thank you.